In robotics, even simple tasks like pick and place can be surprisingly challenging, especially when the environment lacks clear visual cues. Without enough visual information, robots may struggle to make accurate decisions, leading to inconsistent performance. To improve success rates, we can introduce markers into the environment. These markers act as additional features, providing the robot with detailed visual information. With these markers, the robot can better identify and differentiate pickup and placement positions, ensuring more reliable and consistent task execution. This small adjustment can significantly enhance the precision and effectiveness of the robotic operation, making sure that the tasks are completed accurately and efficiently every time. Simple changes can lead to big improvements in robotics. For more tips and insights, be sure to like and subscribe.